It's finally a liftoff for Starlink in India. After years of regulatory hurdles and uncertainties, Elon Musk's Starlink is finally breaking into India's communication orbit with landmark tie-ups with Bharti Airtel and Jio platforms. What Starlink has achieved is a virtual coup, getting its biggest competitors, Airtel and Jio, to sell its terminals in India. Both have their own satellite internet ventures, Jio Space Fiber and Airtel's OneWeb partnership, and had been opposing the entry of Starlink into India. But both now plan to sell Starlink terminals from their huge network of stores across the country. The Indian companies wanted a so-called level playing field, calling for an auction of satellite communication spectrum rather than its administrative pricing. Starlink argued for administrative pricing, which it said was the global norm. The Telecom Act of 2023 favoured administrative spectrum allocation over auctions, a win for Musk. The tie-ups are a huge success for Elon Musk, who first eyed India for Starlink in 2021, aiming to bring high-speed satellite internet to remote regions. So what is Starlink? The company provides high-speed internet via satellites and claims to have access to even the remotest parts of the world. As of February end, Starlink had a constellation of more than 7,000 satellites in low Earth orbit, around 550 kilometers above Earth. Reports say it plans a total of around 42,000 satellites. The kit includes a dish, a router, a stand and cables. In South Asia, Bhutan is the only country offering Starlink services. In Bhutan, the speeds are offered up to 110 Mbps with monthly charges ranging between 3,000 to 4,200 rupees for residential use. The kit costs about 33,000 rupees. Elon Musk may be poorer by a whopping 16 lakh crore rupees in the past 3 months, but his deal-making mojo is intact. It took less than a month after his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Washington DC that Bharti Airtel and Mukesh Ambani's Jio platform announced the tie-up via exchange fillings. And with Tesla expected to drive down Indian highways soon, it's clear that being Donald Trump's influencer-in-chief has helped Elon Musk. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.